3 years now. So I get affair with him papa. They always go Nigeria, sometimes go greet him father. So even now, if I dey pregnant, but the belle no begin get am.
Wait, so you dey make love with your husband father?
Yes, ma.
This thing where you want talk, if in a lie, if you drink water, you will never have peace. Say amen.
No, mommy, no be lie.
You dey make love with your husband father. Your husband father, yes, how old is he?
Ma?
Your husband father, how old is he?
He's 52.
52 years, you dey make love with her. Where he dey carry you, they go now hotel? I been in house.
No, na the house where na their family house. But I ain't get am, sha.
Now they your husband papa they make love with you.
Yes, mommy.
Nah, no, I don't blame you. No, I not go. Nobody go blame you. The what to be this one? This one not be anything. Then the belle where you get now, who get her?
Mommy, I know who lie to you. I don't even know who get the belle now. Whether na my husband get her, whether na papa, I don't just know because before I go Nigeria, I never to say when I come back from Nigeria.
Okay, you go Nigeria now. How many months your belle day now?
My belle don't day, but I can 6 months.
6 months. Then how many months there when you go? So that make women wait don't born, make they help you calculate her. How many months there now when you come back from Nigeria?
Because I first go to Nigeria inside because I know first see my period before I go Nigeria. So when I reach Nigeria, based on all this coronavirus things, I no quick come back. So now I come Italy on the 27th of last month. Now I come. I did Nigeria all this while. So I don't know whether I carry belle go. I don't just understand.
Now, the father of your husband, how many times he make love with you when you did Nigeria?
Now always when I did there.
Every day night they make love with you.
Yes.
And you know, say you be picking wife.
Me and him with the always, even the time when I did, me and him with always they talk, shy, you know. With always, me and him, we even they more closer than his son. But based on say, it's not the reason I say, based on say na his father now. You don't understand. Based on say na his father, if he they close to him wife. So me and him they always they close. Even when I say reach Nigeria, when I take go there, I not even see chance to reach my own side.
The father of your husband, na Bini be a Bina Orobo.
No, not the Benin man.
Who try?
Naisha.
Naisha ma. Your husband who call?
Naisha na.
You too, Naisha.
Naisha.
You too, Naisha.
No man, no be Isha.
You be where?
I be from Yoruba.
Okay, Yoruba, eh? So as you the fuck father of your husband, he they kiss you?
Yes, ma.
Una the romance.
Ma?
He they romance you. He they kiss your breast. No laugh now. Because you know say na go say me talk am everything joke. So now this belle where you get now the belle don't take 6 months. How many months a day now when you come back from Nigeria? More from there calculator.
Now December 27 I come back.
December 27 now you come back from Nigeria. Your belle dey 6 months now. How many months you spend for Nigeria?
That kind no July now take go.
July go make calculator. I bet make una help calculator. July come reach now your belle dey 6 months. May we know whether na the father of your husband.
Because na July, that kind July ending now take go.
Okay, July ending. As you just reach Nigeria, you and the man make love.
Yes, ma.
Okay, una make love. I bet make una help and calculate time. They say na 6 months. Na the father of your husband I get am. Now get the belly. Now they don't help you calculate time.
I don't know what thing I want to do. As in, the thing they worry me for head. I know they feel sleep. After they talk to you now, better say my husband no dey inside room. I dey palo and he don't sleep. Me even they hear wetin I dey talk. Now that be my problem. I don't feel keep and the thing they disturb me for mind. As in, I don't even know the kind shame where I want to tell and say, see wetin dey happen. You understand? It dey very, very wide for ears.
So,
I don't know.
Wait,
no.
Hello, my sister. My sister. Listen to me.
I would say
no cry.
Go far, go remove her.
No, not remove her. Not remove the pikin. Even though my papa give you the belly, now your husband go collect the child. 100%. So just relax. Thank God said the pikin not be for her side. So now see the same blood. No. Now your husband get the belly. As you don't confess her today, let your mind be free. Now your husband get the pikin. As far as like papa, what it be papa or your husband get some here? Why a chairman go behave like this? A chairman, why you go behave like this? How can you fuck a pikin wife? Why you go behave like this?
Me, I don't know.
And if you make love with you,
I did very, very confused. I don't even know what thing I want to do. I don't know. I don't go up on that. I don't think. The thing no let me. It no come up for my mind. It no come out.
Make I tell you, my sister, you don't talk and make it come up for your mind. Now your husband get the pikin. Yeah? Put it in your mind.
I don't want to make him go find out, you know.
But what thing
I want to talk?
How many years there now with the friend, the father of your husband? How many years?
Based on because when I take a day with my husband, that was in 2017. Now I take a day with my husband. So we don't already do everything. You don't even pay my diary. People don't go see my people. You understand?
You don't pay your diary. Now you see the fucking papa.
3.
Don't want to hear you way now. What's the one you put now when you're
the time when me.
I do tell
even the time when me and the man start to dey talk, it always they tell me say, me na fine girl, as in, mama, I don't know what I want to talk. I don't tire. Only wetin I need now, na word of advice I need. Wetin I want to do, where I want start from this kind of shameful thing. To me.
No worry. Now your husband get the pikin. Even though now your papa give you the belly, that one are normal. No for your man, but now your husband get her. Your husband father property. Now your husband, now you go carry her. Yeah? Now your husband. But when the man talk to you the first time, why you not tell your husband? Say, see your papa, oh, they toast me. Oh. Why you not tell your husband? Eh?
Mommy, I know, as in, I know if he explain, tell you, say, as in, it just be me like, as in, I don't know the way I want to explain the word, you understand? As in, I don't just know.
Not be your fault. Nobody go destroy your marriage. As well as say the man don't pay your bride price. Oh, how many children you get for the man? Huh?
See, I never first born. This is my first child in the carry.
First child, now your papa go dey hammer you. Why the man go dey useless like this? Why you go do this kind of thing? First time after paying your bride price, now your papa come dey give you belly. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, why people are so wicked. Oh, go balance. See how you give me pikin pain. Oh, Jesus. Why people are so wicked. Jesus, why? Oh, after all the money with the man spend, and papa can carry. Oh,
I know. Wetin be my problem now? As in, I no dey feel dey sleep. Even food gone safe, I no fit eat. I just dey think, which kind of problem is this? I no fit do anything. Based on say I dey always dey see people dey come confess white things. Now I say, let me sef still talk my own come outside. Whether I go see advice. I need word of advice, word of encouragement, wey go make me all these things come up for my head.
For example, I want to ask you one question. How your husband, if you tell her this kind of thing, how you feel say he go fit, because you don't fit there with a man who don't know what he go fit do. If you tell her now say you dey dating papa, say papa give you belle, what you think say go tell you?
Wallahi, I no get idea. They don't know person mind finish. They don't know person mind finish. I no fit tell her now say see. If you tell me, say me I come off for house, where I want start from.
Hi.
If you tell me, as in this, I want to carry and sit down, say see. I want to carry and sit down, say see what thing happen.
Oh, the man, that man want just spoil your enemy marriage. Oh. But I want to settle this matter.
What's be my problem? Well, I don't know what I want to.
Chebi, you dey watch. Not cry. Because this matter